Hey everyone, Deb here. I am here to do the giveaway for um, the hidden giveaway from the Crack the Vault collab that I posted on 11/17. It was supposed to be up on 11/15. And if you watched till the end, I asked you if you were interested in this half pack of paper from Stampin' Up. I put mine away, so I can't remember what it's called, but it's a current 48 sheet pack, so there's 24 sheets in here. Anyway, it was on uh, this video hosted by Poet Spice, and it says 11 days ago, but I printed this earlier, not today. So it's been longer than that now. Anyway, it was Crack the Vault Collab 2024 Grateful/Blessing Cards host at Poet Spice. Okay, so there were 7 people that followed the rules and put "I watched till the end" or similar wording, and I've numbered them. This is all the comments. So we had Philomena, she did not say that. Rosa Vera, I watched till the end. Fran, I watched to the end. So I've numbered them. 1, 2, this is Bookworm's Buddy. She put "I always make the effort to watch videos to the end." I counted that because I figured she wouldn't even know about the watch till the end unless she watched to the end. So even though it didn't say "I watched till the end." So she makes the effort. I don't know if she did for sure, but I'm considering she did. Just Donna Maria, number 4, I watched till the end. Gail Banks did not say it. Tony's Witchy Arts and Crafts, I watched to the end. Judy Harmon is number 6, I watched to the end. And Samira, I always watched until the end. So that's 7, and there was 2 other comments, but they did not include anything about watching till the end. So my apologies to those people. But I have 7 people, and I thought what I'd do is just do a random generator. I just put it on my phone, random number generator, and I typed in minimum 1, maximum 7, and I'm going to generate it. Let me put this light on too, and maybe that's worse. I just need it to be not glary, or not, oh, look at my nail, that's horrible. Number 1. Rosa Vera, you win the half pack of Stampin' Up! Paper. I don't know if I have your address. If I do, I apologize, but could you please send me your address in email? And here is my email. It is DAHLIA Dahlia Designs 57 at gmail.com. I probably should get another Gmail for Deb House Crafty Cottage, right? I don't know. Everybody's so used to this one. So please email me your address. I'm going to try and mail this on Monday. Today's Saturday. I just can't do it today because I have some other stuff I want to get in the mail, and I just want to make one trip to the post office. I still have the cards from a different video where I asked people to put their preferences in for the cards 1, 2, 3, and 4, and everybody had a different number 1 preference that commented that way. I think there were only 3 people. So those people are going to get those cards, and I'll send those out on Monday as well. And then I have a few other little things to get out to people. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I apologize for being so late with this. I had promised I would do the drawing on the 23rd. Just totally, and I had it on my planner, but I obviously didn't look at it. I totally forgot about it. And I guess with all the holidays coming up and other stuff I was doing, it just, so today is still November. It's November 30th. Happy birthday to my dad, wherever you are. Passed away in 2007. But yeah, he would be, I think I said 97, I figured out today. Anyway, on a positive thought, I hope you enjoy the paper, Rosa, and everyone else. Sorry you didn't win this time, but keep on watching till the end, and you never know when I might do another hidden giveaway. I'll be cleaning up this craft room gradually, starting like tomorrow, probably. I was going to do it today, but now I have too much other stuff today. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and being part of my channel, and I will talk to you again very soon. Hugs, love, and peace.